Have you ever been working in Photoshop and suddenly your brush cursor turns into a plain crosshair instead of that helpful circle outline you are used to seeing? It can be incredibly frustrating to paint when you cannot see the actual size or shape of your brush tip. In today's video, I am going to walk you through 4 simple fixes to bring that brush circle back. Whether it's a simple keyboard setting or an underlying graphics issue, we'll get you back to editing efficiently in no time. If this tutorial helps you save some time or solves your problem, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips. Let's jump right into the solutions. The very first place you should check is actually the most common culprit, and it's usually an accidental slip of the finger. If your caps lock key is turned on, Photoshop automatically switches your brush cursor into a precise crosshair mode. To fix this, just tap the caps lock key once on your keyboard to turn it off. Immediately, you should see your brush cursor turn back into its normal circle shape. Now, if that didn't work, the next thing you need to check are your specific cursor preferences. Head up to the Edit menu in the top toolbar, then select Preferences and click on Cursors. Once the dialog box opens, look under the Painting Cursors section. Make sure that either Normal Brush Tip or Full-Size Brush Tip is selected. If you happen to have Precision or Standard selected, the brush preview will not render as a circle. Once you have checked those boxes, click OK to save your changes and check your canvas again. If you are still not seeing the circle, the issue might be related to your hardware acceleration. Sometimes, if the GPU support is disabled, Photoshop struggles to render those dynamic brush previews. To fix this, go to Edit, choose Preferences, and then click on Performance. Look for the graphics processor settings and ensure that the Use Graphics Processor checkbox is enabled. After you check this, you will need to restart Photoshop for the changes to take effect. If you have done all of that and it still seems like the brush is missing, perform a final check on your brush size. It's possible that the brush size is set so small that it's virtually invisible on your screen. You can use the bracket keys on your keyboard to test this. Tap the right bracket key several times to significantly increase your brush size, or the left bracket key to decrease it. Often, just bumping that size up will make the circle reappearance obvious. If you have followed these 4 steps, you should have your brush cursor back to normal. Being able to visualize the brush size is essential for precision work, and I hope this video helped you get back to your projects without any more technical headaches. If this tutorial helped you, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy guides and creative tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.